Takrabasti. Takra as in Nirobasti is indicated in Grahani Roga with similarities of irritable bowel syndrome and also in Pitta dominant symptoms. Ingredients: Madhu, Saindava Lavana, Sneha Dravya, Shatapushpa Churna, Takra. Purvakarma includes Sarvanga Penga, Bhashpa Svedana, preparation of Takrabasti. Sarvanga Penga with Murchita Tila Taila for 30 to 40 minutes. Bhashpa Sveda done up to Samyak Svina Lakshana. Preparation of Takrabasti. The preparation of Takrabasti is as of Nirvabasti. Composition of Nirvabasti. Makshikam Lavanam Sneham Kalkam Katam iti Kramat Avapeta Nirvanam Esham Samyojanam Vidihi. In a round vessel, take 300 ml of fresh curd and half part of water, that is 150 ml is taken and churned it, and fat is separated to prepare the takra. In a sizable kalwa, 60 gram honey is triturated well with 10 gram of Saindava Lavana. To this mixture, 130 gram of gruta, that is Grahantaka gruta or Changyaradi gruta is added gradually. After mixing, 50 gram of kalka, that is Shatapushpa Churna is added and stirred well. At last, 400 ml of takra is added and the whole mixture is triturated well, utilizing churning stick until it becomes homogeneous. The prepared basti is again filtered. Pradhana Karma. Takra basti is administered in Yoga Basti course. Therefore, on 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 8th day, Anvasana basti with Changyaradi gruta is given. And on 2nd, 4th, 6th day, Takra basti as a Nirobasti is given. Paschat Karma. Lift the legs padding to the buttocks anti-clockwise. Massage the abdomen and other traditional techniques. Follow the Ashtamahadoshakara Vajra Vishayas up to the Parihara Kala of 16 days. Indications of Takrabasti: Vataja Grahani, Udara Shula, Malabaddhata, Pittaja Grahani, Arsha Roga, Agni Mandya, Gurutva, Amayukta Mala, Muhur Mala Pravritti, Ulcerative colitis. Contraindications of Takrabasti: Raktapitta, that is Adoga Raktapitta, Ushnakala, Adamapala, Pitta Prakopa Vikara, that is giddiness, fainting, burning sensation, oftenly loose stools with pain abdomen, visible like abdomen distension. Results of Takrabasti: level of reduction in the intensity of Baddha Mala, Muhur Drava Mala, Mur Mala Pravritti, Udara Shula, sense of incomplete evacuation, consistency of stool, presence of mucus in the stool. Conclusion: the examination of IBS in terms of Ayurveda comes to the conclusion that the condition is a cluster of symptoms that may be diagnosed as Grahani Roga and treated as such when it comes to the signs and symptoms like Muhur Baddha, Muhur Drava Mala, that is episodes of hard and loose stools, abdomen distension and stool with the mucus. The therapeutic procedure described in the classics are beneficial in providing the considerable relief. Takrabasti is having more Pratyagamana Kala, hence it can be concluded that IBS can be treated in Ayurveda under the treatment principles of Vataja Grahani, which is helpful in reducing IBS symptoms and enhancing the patient quality of life. Classical references of Takrabasti are Ashtangarodaya Nidhanasthana 8th chapter 30 sloka, Charaka Samhita Siddhisthana 1st chapter 27 sloka, Charaka Samhita Siddhisthana 3rd chapter 24 sloka, Sushruta Samhita Uttarasthana 40th chapter 178 sloka, Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sthana 15th chapter 117 to 120th sloka, Charaka Samhita Siddhisthanam 10th chapter 44-45 sloka, Sushruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthanam 38th chapter 87th sloka, Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthanam 8th chapter 140 sloka. Thank you.